Have you ever felt stuck? That moment when you sit down ready to create, but nothing comes to mind. It's as if your brain has hit a wall, and no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to break through. That feeling when you want to create something amazing, but the ideas just won't come. You might have a vague notion of what you want to achieve, but the details elude you, slipping through your fingers like sand. You stare at a blank canvas, a blank page, or a silent instrument. Frustration builds. The more you try to force it, the more elusive the ideas become. It's a vicious cycle that can leave you feeling defeated. You know you have potential, but it feels trapped inside. It's like there's a barrier between your thoughts and your ability to express them. You can almost see the masterpiece in your mind, but translating it into reality seems impossible. This is a common struggle for creatives across all fields. Whether you're a painter, writer, musician, or any other type of artist, the blank canvas can be a daunting adversary. It's a universal experience that binds us together. The fear of judgment, the pressure to be original, and the sheer difficulty of bringing an idea to life can be paralyzing. We've all been there. The weight of expectations, both from ourselves and others, can be overwhelming. We question our abilities, wondering if we're good enough. Doubts creep in, and we start to second-guess every decision. The inner critic becomes louder, drowning out our creative voice. The blank canvas becomes a symbol of our limitations. It taunts us, reminding us of our struggles and failures. Each empty space feels like a testament to our inability to create. This creative block can be disheartening, even debilitating. It saps our motivation and makes us question why we even started in the first place. The passion that once fueled us starts to wane. It prevents us from sharing our unique voices with the world. The fear of not being good enough holds us back, and we keep our creations hidden, afraid of what others might think. But what if there was a way to break through this barrier? What if we could silence the inner critic and let our creativity flow freely? Imagine the possibilities if we could overcome this hurdle. What if there was a tool that could help us unlock our creative potential and overcome the fear of the blank canvas? A way to reignite our passion and bring our ideas to life with confidence and joy. Introducing Muse, a revolutionary AI tool designed to do just that. Muse is not just another software, it's a creative partner, a tireless collaborator that helps you bring your ideas to life. Imagine an AI that understands your creative language, anticipates your needs, and offers suggestions tailored to your unique style. That's the power of Muse. Muse uses the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to understand and interact with human creativity. It's like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7, always ready to inspire and assist. Muse doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. With Muse, the blank canvas transforms from a source of anxiety into a playground of possibilities. It encourages experimentation, pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible. Let's delve deeper into the features that make Muse so special. Muse's magic lies in its ability to learn and adapt to your individual creative process. This isn't just another tool, it's a companion that grows with you, understanding your unique style and preferences. It starts by analyzing your previous work, identifying patterns and preferences that define your style. Whether you're a painter, writer, or designer, Muse delves deep into your creative history to understand what makes your work uniquely yours. This deep understanding allows Muse to offer relevant suggestions and generate ideas that resonate with your artistic vision. Imagine having a creative partner that not only understands your past work, but also helps you push the boundaries of your creativity. One of Muse's core features is its inspiration engine. This powerful tool is designed to spark your creativity by providing a wealth of ideas and concepts tailored to your specific needs. Simply input your ideas, no matter how fragmented, and Muse will generate a range of possibilities based on your input. It's like having a brainstorming session with an AI that knows exactly what you're looking for. Need a starting point for a painting? Describe the mood you want to evoke, and Muse will create a series of image concepts. These concepts can serve as the foundation for your next masterpiece, giving you a clear direction to start with. Struggling with writer's block? Input a few keywords, and Muse will craft different story outlines or character sketches. This feature is particularly useful for writers who need a little nudge to get their creative juices flowing. But Muse is more than just an idea generator. It's a comprehensive creative assistant that supports you through every stage of your project. It also features a suite of powerful creative tools that work seamlessly with your existing workflow. These tools are designed to enhance your productivity and make the creative process smoother and more enjoyable. These tools can help you refine your ideas, experiment with different styles, and ultimately bring your vision to life with greater ease and precision. Whether you're tweaking a design, adjusting a storyline, or perfecting a piece of art, Muse is there to assist you every step of the way. Section 4. Painting with Light, Muse in Action for Visual Artists. Imagine you're a digital artist struggling to find the perfect color palette for your latest illustration. With Muse, you can simply upload your work in progress and let the AI analyze the composition and suggest harmonious color schemes. Muse can even generate different lighting scenarios, allowing you to see your artwork in a whole new light, literally. For photographers, Muse can be a game changer when it comes to photo editing and manipulation. Upload your photos to Muse, and it can help you enhance specific elements, remove unwanted objects, or even transform your images into different art styles with just a few clicks. Whether you're a painter, illustrator, photographer, or graphic designer, Muse empowers you to push the boundaries of visual storytelling and explore uncharted territories in your artistic journey. Section 5. Finding the right words. Muse for writers of all kinds. For writers, Muse can be an invaluable tool in overcoming writer's block and crafting compelling narratives. Struggling to find the right words to express a character's emotions? Muse can analyze the scene and suggest dialogue options that feel authentic and impactful. Need help with pacing or plot development? Muse can analyze your story structure and offer suggestions to improve the flow and engage your readers. Muse can also be a powerful tool for poets. Input a few lines or keywords, and let Muse weave them into a tapestry of evocative imagery and rhythm. Explore different poetic forms and experiment with language in ways you never thought possible. From crafting compelling novels to writing engaging screenplays, Muse empowers writers of all levels to hone their craft and share their stories with the world. Section 6. Harmonizing with AI Muse in the world of music. Muse isn't just for visual artists and writers. It's also revolutionizing the way music is created. This innovative tool is transforming the music industry by providing musicians with unprecedented creative assistance. Imagine being able to hum a melody into your phone and have Muse instantly transcribe it into sheet music, complete with chord progressions and instrumentation suggestions. This feature alone can save hours of manual transcription and open up new possibilities for spontaneous creativity. Or perhaps you have a melody, but need help developing it into a full song. Muse can assist by providing suggestions for harmonies, rhythms, and even lyrics, helping you to flesh out your initial idea into a complete composition. Muse can analyze your melody and generate different accompanying tracks in various genres, from classical to electronic to hip-hop. This allows you to experiment with different styles and find the perfect sound for your project. For composers, Muse can be an invaluable tool for generating film scores, video game soundtracks, or even orchestral pieces. By inputting your thematic ideas, Muse can help you develop complex arrangements that fit the mood and tone of your visual media. Input your desired mood, tempo, and instrumentation, and let Muse create a sonic landscape that perfectly complements your project. Whether you're working on a high-energy action sequence or a serene, contemplative scene, Muse can tailor the music to enhance the emotional impact. Muse empowers musicians of all skill levels to explore new sounds, experiment with different genres, and break free from traditional composition methods. By offering a wide range of tools and features, Muse encourages creativity and innovation, making it an essential companion for any modern musician.